Aloha! Welcome to Tiki Pizza. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. Come on Mookie, work with me here. We got a great episode today.
All right, guys, we're at Sage's Pizza and More. Today I got the Greek. It has olives, onions, tomatoes, feta, green peppers, and spinach. So we're gonna take it back to the tiki bar and give it a try.
Check it out. All right, so Mookie and I just had the Greek from Sage's Pizza and More. It was exceptional. You've probably seen we got tons of reviews of Sage's Pizza and More. It's my neighborhood pizza place, and it is my favorite pizza place in Calgary. It's just amazing. They have a New York style crust. They also have a thin crust. I haven't tried that one yet. And then, of course, the name Sage's Pizza and More. So we're gonna have to go back and try some more. Isn't that right, Mookie? So we don't have a rating system, but Mookie says 4 paws up for the Sage's Pizza and More, the Greek. And by 4 paws up, I don't mean she's dead. She just really likes it. So we'll see you next time on Tiki Pizza. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. That just means if you don't get off the couch, he won't bite you in the ankle. See you next time on Tiki Pizza.
Ayun, boy.